Hey guys, it's C. I am going to be doing a review today on this Music Flower liquid eyebrow pencil. It's the tattoo liquid eyebrow pencil with the 4-tip. And I just got this in yesterday. It's number 1 in chestnut color. As you see, I already opened it. And it does come with the plastic on there, but of course I already took the plastic off. I just couldn't rip this part off. But this is what the tip looks like. And I'm sorry guys, it's just I have no focus and my lighting is crazy because I sold my camera and I'm filming this on my phone. Also, if you guys hear any loud noises or a kid screaming, that's my boys. They're out there watching TV. They're trying to be good while I am filming this. So a few things that I suggest you guys have when you guys are practicing with this pen is baby wipes, because you'll be messing up a few times and you want to kind of, learn as you go. So I suggest you have baby wipes if you wipe it off, and a mirror. So you want to kind of get as close to your face as you can. Let me just kind of scoot up here. So I have no makeup on, as you can tell, because it's really early in the morning, and I just kind of want to show you guys what to expect with this little pen marker tattoo thing. So let me start here. Like I said, get your baby wipes and your mirror prepared. So I'm gonna open it, and this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna try to get close with you guys. I've already been trying to practice. As you can tell, I have some spots there on my eyebrow that I tried to baby wipe off. But, let me just show you guys real quick how this pen, you see? How cool, right? So it actually does like little strokes depending on how you hold it. I just want to tell you guys that you might want to do this as lightly as you can on your eyebrows. And this is supposed to be waterproof and smudge proof, so I'll just smudge that off for you guys. Definitely smudge proof. There's nothing coming off. And it comes off pretty good with a baby wipe. You just gotta really push into your skin with the baby wipe. That's my mark from earlier. It's still there. And there. This is kind of hard coming off with the baby wipe as well. So there you guys go. Smudge proof test. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this, and hopefully the lighting doesn't get all crazy on me. So this is my tail earlier that I did. So I kind of start back here just so I can see what kind of pressure I'm kind of applying. And again, this is in chestnut. And so I think they say you're supposed to hold it at like a 45-degree angle. And most people start in the front, but I'm going to start in the back. Oh my gosh. I just made a huge mess. Look at that. You guys see that? This is so hard to do. So soft little gentle strokes. And I'm not too great with this. Oh my god, I'm getting all kind of strokes up in there, but you can definitely tell there are lines and strokes. So let me just kind of finish this. Sorry if I'm like looking at you guys weird, it's because it's so hard to do. And then you're supposed to go back through and go this way. But it looks like I did a really bad job down there. Try to straighten this out. It takes a lot of practice, guys. So just keep on trying. But oh my gosh. It's not too bad, but now it just looks like a big blob. But if I had a better camera, you could definitely see the lines there now. This does oxidize, so right now it looks brown, but like in an hour or so, it'll get really dark and it'll match like the color of my hair. So it just looks brown, but it definitely turns, I guess my skin just oxidizes. I think it is different for everybody. So you just gotta test what color is best for you. And there's 3 different colors. There's chestnut, brown, and dark gray. But this is the one that I found oxidizes on my skin the best. So like I said, you just have to practice. But it is pretty good. Let me try to do the other side now. Wow, look how dark that is. It's crazy. Let me try to do this side. And like I said, I start at the tail. And kind of work my way to the front. I'm totally holding this pen wrong. I think I'm supposed to hold it this way. 45. This is so hard to do. I just got a big blob there. You guys see that? Big ass blob. I have to do it this way. Maybe it'll help if I look up. Oh my god, my boys' TV are so loud. But they're being good. I just kind of like to line everything out. And I like how you can like do the pen. You could, well, you guys can't really see. You can do like up and down. And so you get a straight line, or you can do, you know, the other way and get the hairline look. I don't know. Are my brows even? No, they are not even. This is way darker. Alright, so yeah. This side's a little bit darker than this side. But I think I just need to keep on filling it in. I'm going crazy with this now. It's really easy though. Like I used powder before, and I swear with powder, I always get like too dark, or I always put too much powder on my brows. And so like one brow will be one crazier than the other. And so this is like really easy. I think it's a lot easier, but I've been using it for a few weeks now, not every day. But I really like it better than using powder. So that is my little review on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.